Hi, so my name is Abhinibesh Kumar. I'm representing LORCH in India. LORCH is a German company manufacturing welding machine for last more than 60 years. And I'm the country manager. My designation is General Manager of LORCH India. So today actually we had a symposium organized by VDMA, German Engineering Association. It was a get together of the member companies of VDMA in Coimbatore. And the objective why we are here today and why my company is participating to basically inform the other member companies and the manufacturing companies that what is the development in automation of welding process, especially the collaborative robot, where robot and human beings they can work together. So, and of course, over the years, our company, parent company, of course, has taken a good stride forward in developing this technology, in refining this technology so that it is more intuitive, more operator friendly, and more practical from all point of view. So we had a very short presentation. It will be followed up by a question answer session where we can interact and we can discuss maybe a bit deeper how it can be a part, the collaborative robot solution, welding solution be a part of manufacturing process. So I think many of the manufacturing companies will find it very interesting. And in altogether, this initiative from VDMA to get all these companies, all these participants under one roof inside a hall. The idea was that how we can interact and these technologies, these changes in the manufacturing technology, the improvements in the manufacturing technology help the manufacturing sectors in Tamil Nadu particularly to grow, to develop, to upgrade up to modern standards, because we can understand that there is a lot of demand from the demand side. Out of the Indian companies, manufacturing companies, there is a surge in demand, so we have to definitely upgrade our production facilities. But that cannot be done without planning, without proper knowledge sharing between different organizations and understanding how that can be integrated in their facilities. So from that point of view, this exchange and exchanges like this are very important, and I'm very sure it is going to be very helpful, a good starting point, and we can take it forward further. So of course, it's a very important, given the situation, it's a very important initiative from VDMA, and I hope that it brings some result and brings success to all of us.